不敢开口说英文吗？没有关系 ，Practice makes perfect。跟我一起练英文对话。I say blue, you say red. Let's go. This supermarket looks big. Where shall we start shopping? Good idea. Shall we go to the fresh produce section first? Perfect. Shall we use the self-checkout later to save some time? Great. Also, let's quickly confirm the supermarket's opening hours. Sounds good.